I'm gonna show you what $5.2 million can get you in Northwest Las Vegas. Let's take a look inside. So this beautiful home is a custom build home in Northwest. I'm gonna take off my shoes before we go inside because it is very, very white in this home. So as soon as we step in, we do have this white porcelain tile here. It is gorgeous. This living room space is so inviting. Right here, we do have this marble tile throughout. You're gonna see this a lot throughout the home. It is beautiful. And as you can hear a little bit, we do have some surround sound going on right now. That right there is going to be your bar. So this bar area, you do have quartz countertops, a sink, you have 2 fridges there and an ice maker, which is really nice. And then access to your backyard here, it's so inviting. Before we go to the kitchen, I'm gonna step out here to this backyard space. We do have your barbecue grill here as well. So if you do like to cook and entertain, this is a great home for you. Check out the pool. The size is beautiful. We also have your jacuzzi here as well. This is nice. I do like how the owner added in some trees right there to give you some more privacy. So as soon as those sprout out just a little bit more, it is going to be perfect for this backyard. This home also has a pool house. So right in here is going to be the pool house. You can use this as a casita, an in-suite, next gen, whatever you like. So as soon as we step in, that same porcelain tile that you've seen inside of the home is also in here. So this is nice and spacious as well. We have a closet there. And then we're gonna step right in to this bathroom space. So this bathroom is nice. You do have that marble in this tub here. And that same marble you also have in the shower. And then a closet there as well. This backyard is a nice size compared to all of the other lots in this neighborhood. This one is great and it is completely finished. It's going for $5.2 million currently. Right here, we also have access. This is going to be access to your kitchen area. So everything really does open up. Right here, we do have a shower. So instead of going in the house, taking your shower, you can actually take your shower right out here. And your guests, you throw some parties out here, your guests don't even have to go inside. Right over here, we have this area. So we have a playground space, which is really nice. I love this, especially for my son. Turf all throughout. And then if you turn around right here, we do have this sauna, and right next to the sauna, an ice bath. I love this. This is beautiful. Now, throughout this property, you do see some shrubs. So right behind, there are some fruit trees that are being grown as well. So if you're a person who likes a garden, that space over there would be perfect for you. This home, like I said, is in Northwest Las Vegas. I do like Northwest Las Vegas. A lot of people forget about it, but you are going to get more land for a way better price in this area, in my opinion. And that's what we have seen a lot in this market. When we come back inside, we are greeted with this beautiful kitchen and dining room space. So this was something that was added in, hasn't even been used yet, but it is temperature controlled right here. That same marble that you are going to see throughout the house is in here as well. This is a beautiful, beautiful wine fridge here. I love that. And then when you turn around, this dining room space is gorgeous. So I love the light fixture that they chose here. It is beautiful. I mean, some of these light fixtures in this house are worth $30,000 plus. And then here is access to your backyard as well. Now we go into this kitchen, okay? It's a lot of white, but I love it. It's nice and clean. It's inviting. This is beautiful. Love, love, love this cabinetry as well. And check out this pantry. Go on ahead and check out that pantry. It's beautiful. And then you also do have this fridge here. And so the fridge does blend in with all of the cabinetry. It's nice and spacious in there as well. We're gonna head this way to check out the office and the laundry room. So this right here is going to be your laundry room. This is one laundry room. There is also another upstairs. Up here is going to be your office space. You can make it a bedroom if you prefer, but you do have access to the front. So right here is access to the front, which is nice. So if you do work and need to jet out, you can. Right in here is going to be the bathroom. So that tile that you see there, or that marble, that's gonna be what they like to call a polished panda slab. It's gorgeous. And then here is your little drop zone to your garage. This is a 3-car garage, does have epoxy. They are doing some renovations in there, so I'm not gonna go right now. But you also do have control 4 throughout the entire home, which is really nice. Everything is already pre-wired for you. We're gonna head this way. I do love these white curtains here. This is beautiful. I love how there's so much windows in this house. You can see out, but they cannot see in, which is very nice. Someone said I say nice a lot. I'm so sorry. It's so nice. Right this way, we're gonna have your guest bathroom here. And then this is access to your primary bedroom. So this primary bedroom is gorgeous. I had to just take a second in here because this carpet, oh my goodness, you guys would fall in love with it. It is luxury carpet and you can tell the quality of it. I have not stepped into any home that has carpet like this. I can assure you of that. Right here, we do have this fireplace as well, electric fireplace. And that same panda marble is here as well. It's gorgeous. I love the lighting around also. So like you have a good ambiance in here. And then right here, step into this bathroom. They are doing work in here, so don't judge it yet. So we do have his and her sinks in here. Love this freestanding tub that they have, that same marble going around. Love the light coming in. And then turn around right here, you're going to see that marble in that beautiful and large shower here. This is glass, it's nice. This closet is not finished. There's 2 closets not finished. They are doing work. I got here a little early, but I do want you to come take a look to see the size of it. So this closet is going to be a nice size. And then right next to this closet is going to be another closet. Obviously mine was gonna be that bigger one, you guys. All right, so now we're gonna take a step upstairs and I'm gonna show you the rest of the bedrooms. So heading upstairs, I love the white steps that they have here and then the tempered glass as well. But when you look up, you are actually going to see a chandelier that is worth $30,000. It is exceptional. It is beautiful. It really goes well with this home. I love it. So if you're a person also who likes white, or maybe wants to add some art in here, you most definitely can. This is perfect for you. We step inside of here. So I do want to let you guys know, all of the curtains and drapes that you've seen, they spend at least $100,000 on these alone. Right in here, you're going to have this bathroom as well. So every bedroom does have a bathroom, which is nice. And then this way is going to be your loft space. I am obsessed with this loft because of these windows that you have here. This is nice. I get to look out at the front of my house, but then you turn around and then you do have a patio as well. So let's take a step out into this patio so I can show you guys these amazing unobstructed views, okay? Check out that. So you just have perfect views of the valley, mountain views. You do have a little bit of a strip view as well. There are some trees over there. This is a nice home. And this patio does wrap around over here as well. They did have a hammock, which was nice, a nice large one, and then some closet space also. All right, so there's 3 more rooms and then the laundry room. This space is beautiful. I want you guys to go check it out.